Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, I just realized that I never finished my AWS projects. I have to. I did the all of them except for completing the Bedrock. But actually, I did make the video, but I didn't like the video. I didn't know what I was doing in the video, so we're gonna do it real quick. It's man simple. I don't even use the Bedrock. I think using ChatGPT and some of the Google, the flow and all that is way easier. The quality of the stuff you get with the Bedrock is not up to par with everything else. Because if it was up to par, then those like the Claude and all of that, people would be using that. But no, I don't use that. What I want to do is make like thumbnails, like regular stuff. So you click on Bedrock. New models available. New models available. Open AI. See, Open AI. Those are people that make ChatGPT. But I'm not trying to make this super long. 4.1 model is now available. See, they upgrade to 4.1. Now, then you gotta get rid of the old ones. Okay. Close all this. I just want to show you how to do this real quick. Now, some of them are locked, some of them are not. So you got to open your catalog, model catalog. And I know the Amazon ones are not locked, so I'm just going to click on Amazon. And if it is locked, you have to follow the prompts to unlock it to get access. So, yeah, we do this. Nova Premiere, open the playground, write a prompt. Write a prompt, I don't know. Create. Okay, why is it not create? Okay. Create a YouTube thumbnail for my learning channel. The video about AWS Bedrock. All right, create a YouTube thumbnail for my learning channel. The video is about AWS Bedrock. Let's see. Let's see if it gives us see, and that's the thing too. Some of the models are not like ChatGPT. Some of them are just text. They won't make what you do visuals. Like this one doesn't make visuals, so this is very plain. Do something simple. Is the best cloud service? Is AWS the best cloud service? Why do you guys want to lead it? And then they give you this. See it, and then it numbers it. Competitors, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, top choice, whatever. All right, let's go back to Bedrock. All right, so what you would do, you go to the text playground. Oh, let's go image playground. We just did the text. Let's do video playground. Select the model. All right, so these are supposed to be generators. All right, well, we'll use this. All right, now let's try to create it. Create a video. Create a YouTube thumbnail for my learning channel. The video is about AWS Bedrock and how to use it. Let's see if it gives us something. So it's gonna give us 3 options. Let's see what it gives us. See how long this takes. All right, this option. AWS Bedrock, the letter in here is all messed up, so that's no good. We can't use that one. Bedrock. Oh my god, this is horrible. I wouldn't use none of these. This is horrible. Just stick with ChatGPT, bro. If you a regular person, just stick with ChatGPT. Bro. But anyway, that's how you Amazon Bedrock. And then if you want, I guess if you want to use this, you could download it. But look at how bad this is. Yeah, we're gonna stick with ChatGPT. I know maybe I'll mess with that OpenAI model. But yeah, but that's how you use the Bedrock. You always go here. So step one, you go Bedrock, you open a playground you want, watermark detection, video playground, test playground. And that's where you put your prompts in. It's the catalogs, the API keys, build agent flows, not build all these are your options. And that's how you use Amazon Bedrock. So GG's, thanks for watching.